Hello, I want to interview the cat. Don't come closer to me. She's pregnant. I like her eyes. Hello. No, don't come closer to me. I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. There's the other cat there. She's pregnant too. You don't have husband and you're pregnant? Strange cat. You feel cold? Do you feel cold? It's so quiet in here. I am outside. Hey, look at me. I'm talking to you. Cat, what you have? What's that moving? Where are you going? Oh no. Are you going to fight now? I can hear the bird. Hi, everyone is yawning. Hello. Maybe I can talk to you. I want to interview you too. Don't come closer to me, I said. Okay. Tell me, what do you feel that you're pregnant? Oh no. You like it? Oh, you're yawning. They're an outside cat. But they're not going far. There's a cat as well there at the garbage area. This one is just here because they give food. What's that sound? When I was a kid, if I heard that sound like airplane, I keep running, chasing that sound where it came from. I am about to. Okay. So are you talking to me, guys? No. Okay, I will not bother you. Enjoy your rest. I'll find somebody to interview. Look what they have here. They have mint. We get some. Ah, nice. What do you have here? They have these sweet potato leaves. You can make it salad. Here. Salad. This one. This sweet potato. And papaya. They have some plants in here. There's an airplane there. Where's the airplane? I can't see you. Plane. It's hiding somewhere there. There you go. There. There. It's windy. It's windy here. And there's a boat there. It's cold. It's super cold. Still not, I didn't feel yet the summer. It's still cold. I'm looking for this boat. A small motorboat. Dun. There you go. I don't want him to know that I'm videoing him. There's one there. There you go. Oh my god. What's that noise? You're one of the few things. It's so quiet in here. There's nothing special. I just go down and then I just go down. I feel like, oh, I don't have video. What do I think of? What video I gonna post it? So, nothing. So I go down. Then I see the cat. So I thought I can interview the cat, but of course they will not talk to me. So I might go inside now. Oh wait, there's another boat coming, so I have to wait now. The what's the security for the compound. This one, the one coming, that one. It's coming. What's the security of this area? They're checking because it's not allowed to do fishing in here. But some people are doing. If there's no security, they will do fishing. Yep. While I'm sitting here, how many minutes I'm sitting here? There's 2 plane arrival. So that's area. That where's my hand? My hand is here. Looking that area there. There is the airport. So I see another plane. Oh, look at the wave. Look at the wave and wave and wave. But honestly, it's cold. For me, it's cold. So yes, it's quiet to see. It's quiet in here, and it's cold. I guess I have to end my story now and go back inside as it's cold. Look, it's nice to see the wave splashing. Thanks for watching, everyone. Next time, bye.